Okay. In the figure, if angle DB is equal to 55 degree and angle B is equal to 45 degree, find angle BCD. Now, how do we do this? First of all, let me change this color to white. Angle DBC like 55 and yeah, like 45 and yeah. BCD. Hay mi pum pui rồi là ngay ta này. Change the color again. BCD. Helai angle hi zo ngai ta ni alem en wang la helai kha tur chuan hey DBC triangle hi kan en chianga angle DBC kan threto a angle BDC zo hi kan thret le chuan triangle property mang kana chu chu he don ni van ne thla takin BDC hi kan en chuan helai hi angle in the same segment lo ni BAC le BDC ka angle the same segment lo ni a coming mang khan alloin kan equate danga then you'll get the answer. Angle BDC equal to angle BAC equal to 45 degree. And finally it's one angles in same segment. Chuan ka triangle property kan mang tuang in triangle BDC angle BDC plus angle DBC plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. Achan jiang ai to lo cho pol som china chon mo a chiang to triangle angle pathum dikha chon BDC ka 45 ania DBC ka 55 ani boka ba jun chok thei tong charo chok zo lo mai la 45 le 55 100 a chuak a angle BCD is 180 or angle BCD to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Alright. Next, a quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in the circle such that AB's diameter and angle ADC equal to 130 degree. Find angle BSC. Alim kan zia kang circle oma. Chuan quadrilateral kha chunga oma. AB's diameter and angle ADC, this one is 130 degree. Elim down to that. Find angle BAC. And angle is on to tani. Tahian van ne de kon ne le ta enula AB ka diameter range one helai angle hi angle ACD ka 90 degree kha ni ngal ta ni angle da semicircle exercise ma zo khoi ngai to angle ACD equal to 90 degree. AB ka diameter ni miawa diameter chon circle kha pa here trend angle in semicircle. Chuan angle B helai kan thria chuan helai chu kan thria thei mai don ni helai poi lo har lo a ABCD ka cyclic ani miawa angle B le angle D ka opposite angles ani le boka 180 degree mo but angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Why? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. John angle B plus 130 equal to 180 or angle B to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. Khan helai to 50 gan no nei le ta a chuan angle A kan zong le don ni angle BAC in triangle ABC angle B ka chu angle B pakhat chaw ma den ati me theta angle BAC plus angle ACD so 180 angle B kha inside kan ti 50 mo angle BAC kha kan zon tur ania ACD to 90 kan ti to kha or angle BAC rengot chu 180 minus 90 minus 50 to 90 minus 40 degree. Okay, now let's look at number 5. Find angle PBC. PBC hela hi zon turin tani heta chuan kan ti dan tur chu AC arc ring hian diagram arc dang khan draw don ni look carefully ti hian any point on the circle akham construction take any point D on the major arc AC the khan hey AOC ka angle subtended by an arc in the center and ADC ka angle subtended by arc remaining part of the circle exercise mas zo ka mang le ta ni chu wan ADC chu AOC chan ve ni don ta ni ka theorem exercise mas zo kan zer to kan mang chiang now angle ADC equal to half angle AOC ang wange theorem top me or angle ADC to half into 130 equal to 65 degree. So an angle BBC ka chu exterior angle khalong ni chia cyclic quadrilateral tang khan ain ang le don ta ni angle BBC chu angle ADC ne khain ang eng van gan ni chuan BBC ka exterior angle nia interior opposite angle ne lain tluk ABCD ki cyclic quadrilateral long to bok. Now in cyclic quadrilateral ABCD angle BBC equal to angle ADC exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral more ka theorem khan so angle BBC is equal to 65 degree. Okay, let's look here. Helema hian find angle SLR and QMR tani ta hian a lim hian ta la PQRS ki cyclic quadrilateral ani le ta kha kha kan mang tang kai don ni ta theorem exterior angle kha man le me turin ta ni a chan chu ti hian kan enanga ulo de nen chuan hela angle hi a hriat ngal the LSR kha 80 hin don a chan chu exterior angle ania interior opposite nen tlu so ti am bok in hela hi 60 ni ve don wait we don't need to use this SLR the chu chuang hal the cyclic po manangai chuan lo triangle property pa ngai mai da chu chuanga QMR zo hi QMR hi hemi retur poyan hela hi kan hrianga hela hi ka hrianga linear pair mai la jo chu chok thaya chon hela hi chu 60 ni mai don ni so hela ga thread box chuan he chu kan thread le ngal ta ni okay let's do it. It's very short and very easy. Ama sabat SLR chon circle property phanangai lo di to kha in triangle PQL kan tianga angle P chu ti thei dero pakhat cho ma angle PQL plus angle LL po pakhat cho ing pum jiangai lo angle P is 60 PQL is 80 or angle L2 180 minus 60 minus 80 so 180 down 60 by 40 degree more they can't as all there SLR khachu now in cyclic quadrilateral PQRS angle QRM equal to angle P exterior angle of cyclic so when angle QRM to 60 degree kan ni le ta so one thing here let me erase this part kan se dong khan PQ L RQM kha linear pair ni ve nga kan ti to kha kan mang vele me angle RQM plus angle PQL L equal to R180 linear pair or RQM plus 80 RQM 180 minus 80 equal to 100 thì khan kan zo le triangle property kha kan mang le nga angle m chu ron cho le mai don di. Let's see now in triangle QMR angle M plus angle MQR to minki plus angle QRM is 180 angle M plus MQR chu MQR RQM kan tika 100 niya kan mo chok to 60 angle M is 180 minus 100 minus 60 that gives us 20 degree. Okay, let's look at question number 7. In an isosceles triangle PQR with PQ equal to PR, a circle passing through Q and R intersect the side PQ and PR at S and T. Prove that ST parallel QR. Isosceles triangle countani PQR hele hin chena hele hin chen bok. A circle passing through Q and R intersect circle or kal don tani P kha chu kal tlang atilawa Q le R kal tlang ati circle khan. Draw something like this. Tuan kami na circle ina triangle ron touch na kha P Q le R ba ka PQ kha esa PQ line A sa o mga PR kha tia la hi ti in don tani. Prove that ST parallel QR S le tia kan rin zo mang ST le QR and parallel ti prove for it. Okay, write down given a thu cho pe ka wang given kha ji se ve de ngai an isosceles triangle PQR PQ equal to PR and a circle passing through Q R and S and T along PQ and PR kaka given chu ni da photani chuan to prove kha QR parallel ST. How's the proof? The proof is very simple. Hey, tahias QRTS ko cyclic quadrilateral lo ni le ta exterior angle khay nang le don ni. Hey la angle hi STP hi angle Q nen ang don ni. Angle STQ equal to angle Q. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral bokha. Joan mase angle R le angle Q kha in chen tlat oh isosceles triangle ni miawa PQ le PR in chen wa he pani train ang lo chuak Q ve right hand side oma left hand side hin ang le. Therefore angle STQ equal to angle R. Helai le helai hilo intiat tani mase himite pani kan en chen chuan enge corresponding angle zero ni kha chu wa chuan corresponding angle side lu ko chuan side like hem parallel tani. Class 9 je lai but these are corresponding angles, hence QR parallel ST. Number 8, if diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. Let's draw a cyclic quadrilateral again. For the first, can draw letter A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A question answer. If diagonal, a diagonal dekha rin chinang A le C rin zomila. Chuan B le D rin zom boka. Class 9 is light le don. Parallelogram properties. AC kha a circle ta hin diameter ani. BD kha diameter ani bok ati ni given a. If ati mo. Chuan prove to chu ABCD kha a rectangle ni prove to rin ta ni. Oh, as toy ang ran komme chu ol AC le BD kha anin chen na tina ni diameter ve ni chuan circle la chuan diameter kha chen zel ta anin chen to chuan diagonal in chen trim chuan rectangle ni tina ni le me class 9 na kan zer to kha the diagonals of rectangles are equal. Diagonals of rectangles are equal and bisect each other. Kan ti to kamo parallelogram satia kha chuan diagonals in chen lo rhomba sa point chen lo square le rectangle in chen class 9 zer line kha. So all ang rang me heju a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in which AC and BD are diameters. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. Proof AC equal to BD. Don't write given diameters of same radius of same circle kan tiyan kan diameters of same circle ni. But diagonals are equal in rectangle. Hence, ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, for the last one, number 9, in Leila. In figure, angle ADC equal to 130 degree and chord BC equal to chord BE. Find angle CBE. Oh, this one is also not that difficult. Hela hi unlock ila ka proof. And proof lo miang. Use the color again. BMC triangle le BME triangle kan en chuan hey 90 degree ve ve ni tlai kha chuan BC le BE ka given ai tlu ko ti boka chuan RHS mangen hemi te pati congruent ina ni BMC le BME ka ai congruent chuan helai angle CBM le EBM helai hi ti ati na ta helai kan thria chuan helai kan thre nga la apum pu ka kan thria CB do ka kan thre don ti na ni chu le CBM ka chu chu lo ang he ABCD cyclic quadrilateral ni tla ka kan mang tang kai don ni ya color hi white kan change le lo ko nga angle D plus angle CBA is 180 degree. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. 130 plus CBA is, our angle CBA equal to 180 minus equal to 50 degree. Direct me on. Can prove luang chiang sata since triangle CBM congruent to triangle EBM by RHS more. Therefore, angle EBM equal to angle CBM CPCT, or angle EBM equal to CBM CBA 50 degree. Therefore, angle CBE equal to angle CBM plus angle EBM. Therefore, teaching here since this is since therefore to that angle CBE equal to 50 plus 50 equal to 100 degree. Okay, khá rồi khá này. Là chiang lâu in này khá chuan, à phải bài mình là cho lại đón private in.